दोस्तों, एसएसबी इंटरव्यू का जो डे 1 होता है, डे 1 में ओआईआर और पीपीडीटी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होते हैं। ओआईआर के अलावा अगर हम बात करें पीपीडीटी की, तो पीपीडीटी के लिए हमारे साथ में कर्नल मनोज बर्मन सर आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
धन्यवाद।
दोस्तों, पीपीडीटी की बात करते हैं। सर, पीपीडीटी में पिक्चर थोड़ा सा ब्लर होता है और पिक्चर ब्लर होने के साथ साथ ही आपको वहां पर ये पिक्चर पहले तो ब्लर क्यों दिया जाता है और ये ब्लर पिक्चर से आप बच्चों के अंदर से क्या आखिरकार निकाल करके लाना चाहते हैं? सर, अगर ये पिक्चर आप बच्चों को दिखाते तो इस पे क्या स्टोरी आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे होते?
धन्यवाद। जितने एनडीए, सीडीएस, एफकेट के विद्यार्थी जिन्होंने क्रैक किया है परीक्षा यूपीएससी का, उन सबको बधाई। और शीघ्र ही आपको एसएसबी जाने का मौका मिलेगा। और जो आज हमने विषय लिया है, आपको इसके सम्मुखीन होना पड़ेगा। बहुत सरल भाषा में हम समझाने का प्रयास करेंगे। और जो देखने में आया है कि अक्सर जो कैंडिडेट हैं वो पीपीडीटी और टीएटी के इंस्ट्रक्शंस को दूसरे के ऊपर ओवरलैप कर लेते हैं वगैरह। प्रश्न अभी पूछा है कि जो पीपीडीटी का हमें पिक्चर मिलता है वो थोड़ा सा हेजी होता है, अनक्लियर सा होता है। एक्चुअली ये सारे टेस्ट जो है इनका आधार है लिविंग्स रिएक्ट टू स्टिमुलाई, दे ग्रो एंड दे रिप्रोड्यूस। तो दिस फोटोग्राफ, whether it is in PPDT or any other place like TAT, they are given to you as incentive so that you can react. So, stimulus they are. Difference between two is that PPDT, there are pictures which are unclear so that you can imagine, you can construct a story. But you have to remain within the framework of the picture. There are 4 cyclists or 5 cyclists. They are going on a cycling trip, an adventure move, and whatever comes to your mind. But they should be keeping in mind 4-5 young people who are going either for fun or for education or for some exploration. It could be anything. But what is important is whatever you write, because there will be a group of 100, 200, 300, all those who report, they have to go through this first phase of elimination, where first is your verbal, non-verbal, and while it is being evaluated, you are given this PPDT exercise. So after you have written your story, you are made into a group of 15, 20 students need to sit, and then you read your story, because it is your story. Because this time that you get after the written and the group being made, that's the time you should rehearse in your mind your story couple of times. It would be easier, it would be much clearer, you would be convinced of your story. And once you know the nitty-gritties of your story, the next phase, when the discussion takes place, you would be able to put across your point of view better than others. So at that time, you should, in your mind, go through your story couple of times. And then, since it is your story, you have written it in the simplest language, in about 60 seconds, around 60 seconds, you should be able to state what is your story. While you are stating your story, others will also be asked to narrate their story. Listen carefully. It is important. It's not a story writing competition. It's a test of your imagination and then your ability to finally come out with a desired, agreed plan. So, for that you must listen to others' stories carefully and decide that time what are the possible common denominators where you can bring everybody else. Because if there are 200 people writing stories, seeing the same picture, obviously there will be very many variation of the story. It's not important that everybody should think about like you. But what is important, while everybody is narrating their story, you should be carefully listening to everybody and see what are the possible common points where you can bring them to agree. One. Second, if there are minor differences, nitty-gritty, you must not insist that your point of view only should be included. Be a little large-hearted, magnanimous, and see how best we can accommodate within the framework of your story, the stories of others. The mool tattva of the stories, because there is no right or wrong story. That is important, and that is what PPDT. Speak while it is being, when the after everybody has narrated, there will be a kind of discussion, and which will end with your GTO or the officer present asking one of you to give a common story. That's the time you just not by yourself stand up and say that I am going to narrate, because then others will not like that idea. So you might tell others that should I, if there is no volunteer, should I, if you seek others' permission or their agreement, so there will be less of opposition. Otherwise, there will be a kind of chaos. Initially, everybody will start speaking together, talking loudly. Don't get discouraged. You must put across your point of view in smallest words, shortest word, but emphatically.
तो दोस्तों, सर ने पीपीडीटी के बारे में आपको एकदम क्लियर कट समझा दिया है कि जब स्टोरी लिखें तो पिक्चर से बाहर बिल्कुल ना जाएं। पिक्चर में जो कुछ दिख रहा है उसी को ठीक से एक्सप्लेन करें। साथ में जब आप स्टोरी लिख चुके हैं और नरेशन के बीच में जो टाइम आता है उसमें कपल ऑफ टाइम्स अपनी स्टोरी को रिकॉल करें। ग्रुप डिस्कशन के दौरान कॉमन पॉइंट्स को फोकस करने की अगर कोशिश करेंगे तो शायद वहां कॉमन कंसेंसस बन जाए। डिफरेंसेस ऑफ ओपिनियन अगर हो तो बहुत ज्यादा अपनी जिद पर ना अड़े और कॉमन स्टोरी देने की बारी आए तो एकदम वहां अलर्ट रहे। हो सकता है कॉमन स्टोरी आपको ही नरेट करना पड़े।